Good morning, everyone, and welcome today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated December 6, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Uh, Investment security markets subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So, we'll start with Nifty 50 chart analysis. As we all know, post the state election results, Nifty has been on a rampage spree. As you can see, it's been rising continuously for 7 sessions now. Particularly, if you talk about the last couple of sessions or the last 3 sessions, have been very good. And even all the 5 sessions, if you look at it, uh, volumes have been very good, especially on the day just after the election result, that is the Monday session. If we talk about it, we got a follow-through day. Nifty rose by more than 1.5% on volume, higher than the previous day. You can see, which is a good sign. And overall, now we are in a confirmed uptrend, and even there are no distribution days at this moment. Distribution day count continues to remain at zero, and we are already about 20,800 and well above all the key moving averages. But going forward, we'll be tracking distribution days as well. So if distribution days increases and Nifty breaches some key moving averages, we'll go from a confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. Till the point in time, distribution day count continues to remain zero, and even no key moving averages are breached, no support levels are breached, then it will be a good sign. And we'll be looking at the broader market in terms of good stocks that are breaking out with very good fundamentals and business model, along with good price trend. If that happens, look at even the broader strength in the market as well. If the broader markets are holding up, such as the mid caps and the small caps, which at the moment is still holding, then it continues to remain a good sign overall for the markets. So talking about key news, first the US economic data. November S&P 500 Global Composite PMI was at 50.7 versus 15.7 month on month. Service PMI was at 50.8 versus last month reading of 15.6. Both data were in line with the estimates. Bank of India launched a QIP at rupees 105.4 crores. Issue size of rupees 4,500 crores. SBIN to acquire 20% stake held by SBI Capital in SBI Pension Fund for 229.5 crores. Angel One's November update, client base increased 51.3% YOY and up 3.8% month on month to 18.45 million. Number of orders increased 51.4% YOY and 1.2% month on month at to 107.21 million. Himadri Specialty to set up a manufacturing unit for lithium-ion battery components for 4,800 crores. Yesterday, as you can see, FI bought equities worth rupees 5,224 crores, while DI net selling was rupees 1,399 crores. Global market update. As you can see, as we have entered December, the year-end calendar for the global markets, US markets have kind of gone muted, and all the three indices were trading on a very flattish zone. As you can see, Dow Jones and S&P 500 were trading marginally lower. Dow closed lower by 0.2%, S&P 500 by 0.1% closed lower, and Nasdaq closed higher by 0.3%. Asian markets, Shanghai is trading very flattish. Kospi is trading higher by 0.5%, and Nikkei is trading in a good momentum by higher by 1.7%. So GIFT Nifty is still indicating a positive opening. Yesterday's close was around 2,855, and if we look at it, it's still looking positive. And even looking at last few sessions, even today's session is expected to be a positive session. However, overall, during the day, let's see, even after the gap up opening or a positive opening, if Nifty is able to sustain, and along with Nifty's sustenance, do we see some good movement in the broader markets as well? So talking about the chart of the chart of the day for us is Polycab India, as you can see, and the stock is forming a cup with handle base at this moment, and overall, the stock is still 1% to pivot, which is a good sign. And overall, the fund holding for the stock has been increasing, which is a really good sign. All the uh, three parameters have been good. EPS strength at 95 is very good. Price strength of 74 and buyer demand is good as well. There's a prior uptrend as well, so which is a good sign. No major signs of distribution, as you can see. When the was falling, the stock was falling on lower volumes. The last few quarter results have also been very good. Return on equity at 19% have also been very good. The only thing a little problematic is that, I mean, not really problematic, as you can see, because when the stock is consolidating little bit, your RS will decline or consolidate. So on the breakout, if there is a strong breakout and RS line moves higher, and the breakout is on above average volumes, it definitely can be a good stock to watch out for. And if markets at this moment are very supportive, and if it continues to remain supportive, and the stock breaks out on above average volumes and continues to remain in that ideal buy range, look at the volumes. I mean, volumes have to be good. I mean, that is the key. So if the breakout is on above average volume, it can be a very, very good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Prebell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.